Incorporating visuals into your closing is essential with today's juries. But how you put together and practice that presentation has some special considerations. We recommend using a relatively sparse set of slides. Pick your most powerful images and limit text to the bare bones. That way, you can elaborate on them in your own rhetoric, without jurors getting distracted or bored by the same content they've already seen. Then, walk through your draft step by step to identify the right places to reference graphics, pick any places where you can trim the fat even further, then make sure your slide order flows smoothly and naturally. When you're ready to rehearse, carefully time it out. Leave yourself a bit of a cushion to make sure you don't risk going over your allotted time by the judge. And try to practice in front of a live audience as much as possible. Most importantly, no matter how much you prepare, always keep a full printout of your slides as a backup in the event of a technical issue.